Haduh shispa prapunri ngut ki khynnah kynthei ba shynrang na ki khat Archery ki district ka jylla iakhun banyu khur ki takma ksiar rupa rnong ha ka Meghalaya State Archery Championship ka Archery Association of Meghalaya ka sdang ha ka sngi ba ar kani ka lympung bala krishan da katanat jong ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka sor ka jylla kanne Haduh lai sngi bakan kut ha ka khatlai tarik unai lar Yagani ka lumpung lapli di ikong Isawanda Lalu, IAS, Secretary Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sorga Jylla, haga bala sakhilang da nong aibut ka AAM, kong Matseudor Rnong IAS, u General Secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba finally El Pariat, President but Secretary ka AAM ba PB Rnong Secretary ba Robinson Rintathyang, Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs ba Krobok Pasa, But yakajing yalang play la penyada u Vice President ka AAM ma EMH pasa. Shwa kajing yalang play kala don ru kajing ya penyakhun ya ka qualification Indian round ka kardani le kai sub junior kynthei ba shynrang but hadin kajing yalang play la penbut pa da kajing penyakhun ya ka individual elimination kynthei ba shynrang Indian round sub junior. Habakran kung kakongsan kong Isawanda Lalu ila ong bayamenta ka Sarkar Jylla but kisinju kila kai kladan hapadeng kajingpun kre nagabenta ka 39 national games kabanlong house nem ubanwan.
For your benefit, I'm sure there are many archers who, although part of the sport, need to have some knowledge of what we have gone through the years. Some of you might be thinking, but why do we need to know about the bow and arrow? We use it every day. But the bow and arrow is one of the earliest weapons, invented to ensure that human survival would happen for almost 50,000 years ago. Now it's no longer concerned with war, and it became developed instead as a leisure sport. In Meghalaya, archery has a different connotation. It has very deep roots, where it has been a traditional game of sports and leisure for men, young or old. Then there were no women shooting.
I think that it is wonderful that we have this rich history to look back to, and also we carry it with pride, and we hope that upon your slender shoulders this this challenge now rests of carrying the legacy of archery forward in the state and to showcase the potential of Meghalaya not only within our state, in our region, but in the country and internationally as well. We are very hopeful that the recent achievements which have been attained will translate into many more in the near future. I would urge all of you to not be complacent, to not rest on past achievements. We will be inspired by them, but hopefully all of you are utilizing whatever amenities and facilities you are getting out of the team preparation exercise in right earnest. And I am without a doubt that under the consistent guidance of the association, under the supervision of your mentors and the hard work of the coaches, the technical officials, the high performance coaches and all your support team, one or many amongst you will make us proud in the national games which is to come.